Hello everyone, Biometal Omega here, and welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And I'm pretty sure this is current. You know how it goes with technical difficulties. Things happen, and then other things happen, and then you forget what the heck you were doing. Lucky suspenders. Let's hope they do some good. Because I died on this night last time. Yay! Oh, actually, I'm pretty sure you can see my mouse now. Make you dizzy yet? Anyway, I changed from my good old trackball to one of these things. Okay, good. I remember the controls. It's moving. It's doing much better right now. This is great.
See, I told you your first night wouldn't be a problem. You're a natural. By now I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room.
Oh yeah, you need these lovely numbers.
Previous location.
Oh yeah,
we just use them for parts now. The idea at first was to
I wish
repair
they
them.
were in pieces so you could
They
use them
even
for
started
parts.
retrofitting them with some of the newer technology. But they were just so ugly, you know? And the smell.
Why am I doing it?
So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them
This is a
super
lot
kid
easier
friendly.
without the track.
Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around. But if they do, the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too. So, whatever.
This is partially a test
I
for you
love
to
those old
see.
characters.
I've
Did you ever
gotten rid
see
of it.
Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah,
Oh,
Foxy.
right.
Hey listen, that one was always a bit twitchy.
Twitchy.
I'm not sure if the Freddy head
This is
trick
twitchy.
will work on Foxy. If for some reason
With
he
the old
activates
animatronics,
during the
they
night,
will launch you through
and
the
you see
camera.
him standing at the
Find
far end of the
Freddy's
hall, just flash your light at him from time to
was
time.
twitchy.
Those older models would always be disoriented with bright light.
Yep.
It would cause a system restart or something. Come to think of it, you might want to try that on any room where something undesirable might be. It might hold them in place for a few seconds. That glitch might carry over to the newer models
I
too.
got used to the track
One more
having
thing,
to work
don't forget
to
the
get where
music
I wanted
box.
to be.
I'll be
No, I
honest,
haven't been
I never
playing.
liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking, and it can go anywhere. I don't think
Don't
the Freddy
remind
Mask
me,
will fool
please,
it,
no.
so just don't forget the music box. Anyway, I'm sure it won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Oh! Hi there! Hi, Mangle. It's funny that Mangle is in front of the light somehow. With the angle it is for me, it seems like Mangle would be behind it. I don't know. I'm reading too much into it. Somebody stop me. For some reason I said it so wrong right there. Oh, you moved in there. Wonderful. Just gonna make sure I look out for Balloon Boy as well. He has caused my doom a few times. What is it with this thing? Sorry, I know I keep doing that. It's mainly to make sure the game isn't lagging on me. Ooh, noises. Wait. Oh. Hi, Foxy. When do you go away? No. 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 Give me. Let's just get the whole party in here without me. Luckily, Mangle, I think you can hear. Actually, the funny thing is, I have not been killed by Mangle yet in any of my absolutely positively horror playthroughs of this, so let's hope that doesn't happen this time. Does it sound like a kid's going, yep, when you put the mask down? I haven't heard anything in the vents, but why is Mangle here already? I am flashing when you are doing it. Oh. Why? Okay then. Boys. Oh, I thought the dangling things up here were eyes. Gee. Oh boy. Dude. Whoa! Give me my flashlight. Oh, hi. Need. It's gotta be Balloon Boy. Yeah, it's Balloon Boy. Okay, Chica's gone. She's gonna be coming down the left. Some. I forgot. Yeah, I'm too late. I'm too late. I was too late. Jeez, man. Okay. It wasn't Balloon Boy this time, and it wasn't Chica. Progress, I guess. Let's try again. I spent too long winding up the music box. I didn't pay enough attention. That's what I did. Yeah. Dang it! 4 a.m. I made it to 4. I hope the camera's okay. I forgot to adjust it. I don't know if I'm all blurry like, yay, no creepy phone calls. Why is that already? No, just don't go there. Don't. Just Foxy seems to be the first thing to pop out on me too, almost every time. How are you even winding the music box on this security system? That's what I don't know. This is running so well right now. I'm so happy. Until I can finish this game so I can move on to greener pastures, because right now this is looking pretty dead and aged. Or I'm looking pretty dead and aged after all of this. I sure hope this is recorded correctly. Because I think I figured out the trick with OBS. It's just a turd sometimes. To anybody out there using it, don't use studio mode. It's a pain. Hi. Okay. That was pretty called for. But why did Balloon Boy say that? The mango be teleporting. Hello, I think what the hell? Okay, I'm just making sure it doesn't lag. Excuse me. No. Give me my... Hello? No. Why? I need a word. Wait. Foxy did not show up this time. Did I just avoid both at the same time? Man, this is really a testament to how random this game is, isn't it? I can hear a walking. It's so creepy, but then again, that is the Oh, okay, so we're back to that. I think I can fix. Ready. Why? Oh boy. Big Daddy Freddy's here. Oh, okay, okay. I'm not dead yet. You weren't there a second ago. No. I'm not saying much more very coherent right now, excuse me. Oh, how am I not dead right now? This is where I died last time. Oh, great. No. Good, okay. Don't die! Go, go. The whole the theme of this series is pretty much just gonna be, this is so not cool, dude. No. No. Give me. Little boy. No. Give me one. Good. Something must have been crass and bulk there. It's gotta be Little Boy. No, something must have crawled in. So it crawls in and dies. Oh wait, it's already dead. Excuse me for being disrespectful to the dead, but you know what? Right now, I don't care. They're trying to kill me. Oh hi. Let's just bring everybody in here again. It'll be so much fun. I am glad I flash it molted. You slippery son. Come on, turn to 6 already. No. Give me this. Goodbye, you. Man, it takes so long to register. Oh, hi, Freddy. Come on, turn to 6. Please, turn to 6. I do not want to die. I have made it this far. I do not want to die. Just go Spanish. Just, I got half my battery life left. Okay. Hey, it's only night 2. I shouldn't be celebrating this much. Jeez Louise. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Hello. I remember this. I wish I didn't. Oh. I'm the center of attention. And I'm standing in the middle, too. It's me. Okay. I think I'm ending it here. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Biometal Omega. I am out of here, out of sight, and out of mind. Because we all know I'm insane. But anyway, thank you for watching. I will catch you next time. Oh no, 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 no.